Hi, Dr. Abhishek
Hello,
Bhargava.
Hello, good evening, sir. It's very nice.
Good-
It's an honor to meet you, sir.
And it's great to meet you today. And this is an happiest occasion. And meeting Dr. Abhishek. And I bring all the best wishes and congratulations from all the faculty members of Speed Institute to Dr. Abhishek Bhargava for scoring rank number 10 in AIMS Super Speciality in 2021 April session of scoring rank number 10 in DM nephrology.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. It's all because of the Speed app, sir. I cannot tell you how grateful I am to Speed app.
And it's really wonderful. I could see a lot of joy and happiness in Dr. Abhishek's face, and it's very enthusiastic. And also, we want to know the autobiography of Dr. Abhishek, from where he did his medicine, from where he comes from, and where he did his MD General Medicine, and also why do you want to do nephrology?
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm from Jaipur, Rajasthan, and in class 12th, I got 780 rank in AIPMT, so I got SMS Jaipur. And after that, after completing my MBBS from SMS, then in my first attempt only, I got NEET PG rank 1800, and again I got SMS. So I've completed my medicine from SMS.
Great.
And currently my final year exams are going on, and I'm so happy that because of Speed, I've been able to crack this AIMS also in first attempt.
Great. Something which is really wonderful. So finally, are you in the midst of a final year exam?
Yes, sir. One exam is left. 3 papers are over. One is left.
And can you tell us what was your preparation? How did you start your preparation? When you started? Why you joined Speed? And what made you to join Speed? And what are your preparation strategy? How you use Speed Learning app for your preparation?
Yes, sir. And actually in first year of PG, it is very very hard. So I was not able to study in first year. But in second year, after 4 months, I started studying. First, it was for a quiz that was going to be held by this Asia Apicon. And after that, I started studying this Harrison. Initially, I had this inclination towards cardiology, but then I read this nephrology from Harrison. I was very enthusiastic about it. And I had some cases also in my department where this patient was having 0 urine output, and after 12, 13 dialysis, she was normal. And that told me that this is the branch that I want to do. So by second year, I started studying Harrison, and in third year, starting, I took advice from my seniors who had got selected in DM, and they said that I should definitely opt for Speed app. So from third year, I think last August, I started listening to Manu sir's videos. Then I gave the AIMS exam in November, though I was not eligible for it, but I thought I should give it and see what type of questions come. And then this time, by this AIMS, I had read Fee Halley 70%, and I had listened to Manu sir's video at least 3 times before going to exam. Before the 3 days, I just listened to his videos, and that was the trick for me.
Okay, you are able to cover most of the questions from the videos. I mean, what was your experience where this Speed Learning app material were helpful for this exam?
Sir, actually, being a PG student, it is difficult to study the subject book, which is Fee Halley for nephrology. And by listening to sir's video, it just makes it so easy for us to read the subject book. At least 70% questions were directly from sir's videos, and rest of the 20 were from Fee Halley, which was made easy by his videos.
Can you tell me what was the proportionate number of questions were asked from Harrison in DM nephrology in AIMS? Were the question only from Fee Halley or from, you have coverage from Harrison also?
So most of them were from Fee Halley. I don't think there is any special requirement of reading Harrison for AIMS exam, but that is only for AIMS exam. For NEET and for PGI, you need to do Harrison. But for AIMS, I don't think Harrison is required. Fee Halley is the best.
Okay. So you tell me, I mean, you are in final year right now and you started your preparation somewhere in the month of August. And then how much time you were able to spare for your preparation? How you were able to do that in the midst? Because final year is little hectic in any college for that matter, because the final exams will be there, a lot of thesis work has to be completed, and a lot of posting has to be completed. How you were able to manage your time?
Yes, sir. It was very difficult, especially during these COVID times. But I think the best thing is that speed videos, they are 20 minutes videos. So I don't think it is not a task. Like it's very easy to at least see it 1 or 2 videos per day. And I think that did the trick for me.
Okay. So to complete one set of videos, one revision, how long it takes? You said you did 3 times of the videos. I mean, what will be the duration to complete once?
Yes, sir. Initially, I did the easy ones first. So that took me around 20 to 30 days. After that, I thought that I should do the difficult ones also for dialysis and renal transplantation because they are a little difficult for medicine PG students. So that I took another 15 days. So that was the first revision. And after that, it became very easy.
Okay. So really, really good and really great. Now, I mean, when are you supposed to join? I mean, already you have joined, or is there any date cut off to be joined the college in AIMS?
Sir, the counseling date hasn't come yet, sir.
Okay. Very, very good. And once again, I congratulate you for a wonderful achievement. And
Thank you so much, sir.
and you have really made something which is remarkable. And during
Yes.
the final year, that's very important. During the final year, being in final year, even before completing the final year, having a seat in DM nephrology in AIMS is a different kind of a feel and a kick, I will say, that you have done it. Something like that you have done it. You have really done it. And once again, I wish you all the best and all the success in the specialty of nephrology. And we will keep seeing Dr. Abhishek's name. And we'll also invite Abhishek's name to join our Speed Institute, Medical Board and Academy, and to contribute for a few lectures, interesting topics, and also MCQs.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. And I would like to thank Manu, sir. He is amazing. The way he brings out his lectures and keeps it lively, it's amazing. And I would also like to thank my parents and my brother and my wife. Thank you so much, sir.
Best wishes to you and all your family members. And I will do convey to him and also get the number from our moderators, and you can call me after the session also, and you can talk to him also. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Spoken, sir, yesterday, sir.
Really great of you. God bless you. Best wishes.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.